Dear friends, good morning.
Good morning.
I would like to welcome you all to Don Bosco Youth Educational Services, Nairobi, where we will be holding this workshop to revise the Job Service Officers Quality Manual. First of all, I would like to thank you all for your availability. Most of you were part of the workshop that was held in Addis in 2018 for the formulation of the Job Service Officers Quality Manual. Of course, those who were leading the process at that time, that was Stefano Merente and Roland Bonausel. They are not with us now. You are the experts. And a lot of it depends on you. Again, you were the ones implementing it in the various countries as well as in the training centers. And that's why we have called you here today for this process of revision of the Job Service Officers Quality Manual. We conducted the labor market survey in 2018-19, and again, most of you are part of it. One of the outcomes of the survey was the need for the job service officers in our training centers. We have already embarked on this task of establishing the job service officers in our training centers through the global program. Besides, there are also other projects, not through DBTech Africa, that are also involved in this task of establishing the job service officers. It was also timely that we were able to bring out the JSO Quality Manual in 2018. This has really acted as a tool and support for the job service officers. This manual is very well done and well structured. A big thank you and congratulations to all who were involved in the initial formulation of this manual. This manual is also highly appreciated at different levels and by various organizations. The GIZ and the Mozambican government have taken it for implementation in Mozambique at the country level. The ITC ILO, the training center of the ILO in Turin, has taken it as one of the best practices, not only in the continent, but as a best practice worldwide for job service officers. And even the African Union has appreciated it, and you yourself are aware of what you have been doing in the provinces. What makes Don Bosco Tibet different from others is the holistic formation that we offer to the youngsters. We not only provide them with a technical skill, but also we prepare them for life. We give them something more that gives them or our graduates a competitive advantage in the labor market. And we do this through the life skills training and through the career guidance that we offer them. All this is done through the JSOs and by you. The manual helps the JSOs to accomplish this task of guiding our youngsters from the moment they enter the training center till they move out of the center and even after that. This manual guides the JSOs in networking with a large group of stakeholders who are involved in one way or the other in the formation and in the transition to work process of our youngsters. Such a manual cannot remain a static document. It has to evolve and change according to the changes that happen around us, be it technological, pedagogical, psychological, environmental, or of the labor market. And that's why we are here. We want our experience in this field to transform this document. We want to see how our job service officers can move from the minimum standards of operation to excellent standards of operation. And I trust that you are up to the task, and that's why you are here. Finally, we are all involved in education and in shaping the future of our young people. And it is a very noble task, and we do it in the Don Bosco way. It is said that one thing that makes us immortal are the students that we have formed. We live eternally through them, through what we have imparted to them. And we are at this task, and that's why we are here today. I wish you all God's blessings for this workshop and for a fruitful outcome that will benefit thousands and millions of youngsters in the continent and in the world around us.